Hi, I'm Squeaky Clean Dave, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the new Slick Connect 2 from Exceed Innovations. So this week the new Slick Connect from Exceed Innovations, the Slick 2 Connect or Slick Connect 2 has come out, and Steve has sent me some to show you. They come in two different sizes. They come with an 8mm barb on, and they come with a 6mm barb. So when you order it, make sure you order the right size for your hose. They also come in a selection of colours. You've got blue, you've got orange, you've got red, and I think he also does a green one, which he didn't send to me. They are actually a completely new design from the old Slick Connect. There's the old one. The first thing you notice is when you look at them, they're ribbed. There's a slight rib on the caps. This helps you to disconnect them when they're plugged in. It stops the cap from spinning when you turn it, and which will stop you from disconnecting it sometimes. The caps are also made so they're easier to pull off. So if you do need to check your O-rings, that's easy to do. You can get them off, but they're not that loose that they just slip off. They were redesigned like this. I think the main reason was because people had said that when they were under pressure, sometimes they're a bit difficult to disconnect. As I said, complete redesign. He's addressed that, and now there's no problem with disconnecting them at all. He said what will happen, you'll notice that when they're dry, they are a little bit tight, but as soon as they get wet, that's been designed into it to make it much easier to connect and disconnect. He's also designed a frost function in it. He had got some complaints saying that some of the old ones had cracked in the frost. So he's redesigned that, and now there's a function in it that stops them from cracking in the frost. So that's handy. Also, you'll notice on the old ones, when you looked at the top of the barb that fits into the hose, it was just open. On the new ones, it's got a little piece of plastic on the top. Now don't look at that and think, oh dear, the mould hasn't worked properly, I'll have to cut that off to make it work. That's actually designed like that. And what that does is when you plug the fitting in, the other end in, that pops up, and that's part of the water stop. So don't think that's been a mistake, it's been missed. It is supposed to be there. The Slick Connect cases are now ribbed, and they're about 30mm, 3 centimeters. So they're maybe a couple of millimeters wider than the old ones. Not to most people, it's not going to make a lot of difference. A lot of people have said, will they fit through the hose guides? I'm not sure. As I said, check with your hose guide. If it's less than 30mm, 3 centimeters, then it won't. They're a really nice design. They're very robust. I'm going to be doing a video coming up soon. I'm going to test them against a rectus fitting. It'll probably be tested to destruction. I'm going to give them both a good bashing and see which one lasts the best. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put one on my pole, on my hose now, and I'll try it over the next few weeks and we'll see how we get on, and I'll let you know how we get on it with that. So I've got my Slick Connect fitted, and with the pressure on, absolutely brilliant. Comes apart really easy, pushes together really easy. That's with the pressure on really high as well. There's no problem with that, no leaks at all. That's brilliant. If you've seen my other videos, you'll know I use a tubeless kit using the rectus fitting. Unfortunately that won't fit up the pole, so you can't use that, but you can use the rectus fitting. So what I do is I fit it where my pole hose reaches my real hose. That way I don't have to unhook the tubeless kit, I don't have to drop the pole down and unhook that to get knots out of the pole hose. If you haven't already tried them and you use rectus fittings, give them a go. They're a good piece of equipment. Steve's a nice bloke, small business, so all small businesses need all the help we can get. So give them a try, see if you like them, and you might just be surprised. So hope you enjoyed watching that. If you did, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down. Any comments you've got, please leave them in the below, and hit the subscribe button, and hopefully see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.